Actually, I'm 25 years old. I was facing a lot of airfall problems from last 3 to 4 years, from 2019. And from last 3 years, I suffered a lot. I was not able to meet any of my friends and colleagues and my relatives. So before 1 year, one of my colleague came to here for treatment in new roots. So I seen the better result from him, and he got a better result, and he recommended new roots to me. And I came here before 6 months here, and I talked to the doctors and all the surgeons here, and due to the confidence level, I just gone to the treatment before 6 months. Now it's almost 6 months happened, and I got a better result right now, and I have good confidence level, and they are taking care of me, and I get a calls from them in every month for a feedback, and I used to come here for a checkup every month, thanks to New Roots.